The Live Your Goals festivals are vital for us to increase participation within the sport in Wales. To have so many young girls coming out and playing the game today is fantastic, and obviously that's gone on through the year and hopefully will continue over the next few years. And for us to progress as a nation with the female end of the game, it's so important that we get youngsters like these involved and playing from a young age.
Oh, it's fantastic to see the Live Your Goals programme come to life here in Newport. So we're delighted that FIFA have agreed to allow not just our national association but other national associations as well the opportunity to promote football and sport to the younger age end. And of course this particular programme is focused on the girls and engaging girls in sport and in football. And we just hope that they have not only a fantastic time but actually come along and enjoy themselves, of course, and actually take up football on a full-time basis. It's about physical activity, it's about football, and we're just delighted that they can come here in a fun and interactive way and enjoy all aspects of football. It's not just about playing the game, it's about enjoying themselves and enjoying football, and we're just delighted that we've got this grant available to us. We're able to launch these programmes across the whole of the country, and ultimately it will encourage more people to take up sport and to take up football.
For me, coming in and taking this role now, it's going to be a wholly encompassing role, and I'm going to affect kids a little bit older than these, but then all the way through the age group up to seniors. And for me, it's really important over the next few months to instill a vision and philosophy that all our girls can work hard towards, and for us to have an image and an identity as a team. And I'm hoping in the next 10 years these guys will be part of that.
And how are you enjoying the event today?
Good! Fantastic.
So girls, what have you been up to today?
Football. Doing football, dancing.
Have you enjoyed yourself?
Yeah!